Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vikaides, live from Uganda, the part of Africa. I hope you're doing fine, you're doing great. Praise the Lord. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and watch my videos. I really appreciate. And if you're new here, oh my god, I don't know what to say, but you're welcome. Please kindly consider subscribing, like the video, let me know how you think about that video. So guys, it's evening here in Saudi Arabia, and yeah, this video you have to watch it until the end because it's gonna be one of the amazing videos. Yeah, so kind of like the video. So like, it's evening guys, and I feel like I wanna eat something Ugandans in the house, let me know. So this is like katok. Oh my god, I wanna open it, but it's so hot. It's gonna get something cold, then this will help. Yeah, so this is like katogo. It's boiled potatoes, but we have to put some semen over there, and also I have to put some tomatoes, and sometimes I cut tomatoes and onions and I feel like I want to cut them small, but I end up cutting big tomatoes. So I will add this into here. I'll be making katogo, so I made something like that. And also we're gonna be baking today, me and my friends. But before I show that, okay, let me show you my outfit. So it's evening, but today I just wear like I'm going in the office. Let me show you my outfit. Actually, it's amazing. Let me show you in the mirror so that you look. Let's go. So let me show you.
The best we ever had, and we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shine from the top.
So this video is gonna go until tomorrow. I'll be shooting a lot of, and it will be nice. So I wanna put my tomatoes. This is katogo. Ugandan vibe. Ooh, I don't want to mess up the oven because I already cleaned it last. Oh my god. Okay, but I already did a mess. Ooh. I have to clean the mess.
We were gonna make we're gonna cut it this man see. Because it's wrong. Next time when we're gonna do it, Bob's we should to be put in the big place. Big space, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know that it's funding.
Because trust me, other people will take you down and
Can I try a little bit?
Sure.
Please give me a good power.
Try this one. So already cold.
That's so lame.
It's good.
How is it?
Very nice, but it has like a banana flavor, kinda mixed with chocolate.
Well, I didn't like chocolate.
Filipino bread.
Today's my day for baking.
Wow. Today's
This only it's happened once a year. This mood.
lazy chef. You just lazy chef.
I'm not a chef.
But you're gonna do
I'm a pastries.
you're gonna do it for us in Ramadan. Ramadan.
Inshallah. Oh, last time I do it have the things that I did with Ramadan. What did I do? It's I make the bread, dough, cheese inside, and all. Everybody like it.
But I don't have the iPad.
If I
Let's
want,
prepare live the after the
can I
taste.
take more if I want to?
Sure.
Because it's very yummy.
You want to taste me
Yeah,
and
prepare plate. Live.
Can we listen to it?
okay, give me a small one. I eat
I'm gonna give it to everybody.
now.
Yeah, Kalas, oh, you're gonna give it to them. Kalas, this two enough
This big.
for you and Miss Amani.
I want just small.
You will finish it.
Now no one is gonna know. it's like the whole cake.
Yes, you can watch Frozen when you have
Yeah, Liv. Give it to them. Liv.
Yalla yalla. Yalla.
Yeah.
Our
Move it, remove.
cookies.
Kalas, it's finished now.
Here the food. Here the food. Okay. Huh? You wanna come upload? You're gonna miss this food. I'm telling you. You're gonna miss this. So I was here like, oh, Uganda sweet home.
Even me, I'm hungry, you know.
You wanna come and taste it?
Madam, I need to dry her hair. She takes shower.
This is Uganda. Ready? Yalla, yalla. You know when you just cook your food, you wanna eat it alone, and somebody just come in to eat your food. God, you know I wanna share because this is very delicious. So I'm gonna give her the tiny one, tiny plate. Look at this, very tiny, because I don't want like. The aroma. Oh God. Okay. Maybe she will not even like it because this is my taste. Woo! That's so hot. So hot. Yalla yalla. Don't say I didn't give something. Okay. It's a real taste. Real taste. Miss Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. This year we are going home, Uganda. Guys, I can't wait to take you along to visit the Pearl of Africa. Oh my God. That's when I will be starting my travel vlogs, you guys. Travel vlogs. You're gonna watch my travel vlogs. They're gonna be amazing. My God, country by country, country by country, you just name it. We're gonna travel the world. We're gonna be escaping like this. What? Kadama vibes and I'm in one place. Voila, this is good. This is good. This is yummy. My neighbor. Hello. It's time for the chicken. Bless you guys. Chicken broast. Chicken broast. So you have flies, we have everything. We have blabby cobs.
Tara na, kain tayo.
We have this mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. I don't know what is this. Okay.
The bread is good, look.
Voila.
The bread is like Egyptian bread, look.
spongy. It's good when you put the potatoes and the chicken.
Need this one.
It's a small beta.
Sandwich, like sandwich. Where's Miss Amani? Yeah, let's eat.
It's coming. Hey everyone, it's morning here in Saudi Arabia. And we hope you're doing fine. You're doing great. Praise the Lord. Yeah, so it's morning. This is how your car looks like today. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take you along about this recipe for our breakfast this morning. So what you need for this recipe is gonna be cabbage. I first cook the cabbage for over 10 minutes, and then after I get out the water, then I fry the onions. After that, I will be mixing the spices and the eggs, everything together so that we can fry it on the frying pan. It's gonna be kind of vegetable pancake, kind of that is very delicious, especially in the morning. So yeah, we're gonna eat this with my Filipino friends. You know guys, we have a lot of here, so everyone is gonna be tasting. And also I'm gonna be making the bigida, because this video guys is all about like Ugandan food and all that, because yeah, you know, I miss home, so I need something that reminds me home. I want something like have the flavor, the aroma like home Uganda. So this is how it looks like after mixing everything. So this I mix black pepper, eggs, and paprika, and also I put some salt. Yeah, so I use 3 eggs for this recipe. It's very delicious. You can try it at home so that you can also enjoy what we're gonna be enjoying right now. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you think about this recipe. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, hit that notification bell so that you always fast to see my videos. Don't miss my videos guys. So yeah, let's see how it goes, but this is gonna be delicious. Guys, the food is already done. Look at that. Look at this cabbage and eggs. You just add black pepper, paprika, and also some salt. So this is Ugandan bigida. We say this bigida, it's like when you give to kids and they're like, oh, happy. So that's the name, bigida, happy. yeah, to be excited when you get one. Oh my god, you feel like you own the world. So yeah, this is the breakfast for today.